how to share posts to Instagram on TikTok. Now, hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share posts to Instagram on TikTok. Now, first open TikTok now and then click on your profile here in the bottom corner. Just select any post you want, like this one, and then click this icon here, this share icon, and here just scroll until you find Instagram, and here you will find Instagram stories or anything you want. Then just click on it, and that's it. I hope that can help you. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.